Montana's Bozeman area, where mountain ranges rise against endless skies, offers a rare balance of beauty, history, and adventure. Here, winding trails lead to boundless exploration and a vibrant community at nature's doorstep. Welcome to Schmidt Ranch. Just beyond Bozeman, the Schmidt Ranch unfolds into a landscape both powerful and serene. Rolling hills give way to aspen groves and pine-forested ridges, interspersed with open meadows and creeks that quietly shape the land. The Bridger Mountain ridgeline frames the horizon to the west, setting a backdrop for endless discovery. Every acre here speaks to nature's artistry, blending rugged terrain with pockets of calm. Spanning 1,598 deeded acres throughout 13 parcels, the Schmidt Ranch lies a quick 10-minute drive from Bozeman, where modern amenities meet mountain charm. 20 minutes away, the Bozeman-Yellowstone International Airport connects this tranquil retreat with a wider world. In under 30 minutes, you can be at Bridger Bowl Ski Area, carving down the locals' favorite slopes. Endless outdoor adventures await across the ranch's untouched acres. The property is a magnet for both deer and elk, with several well-used wallows, offering prime locations for spotting and hunting. Nearby, the famed Yellowstone River's broad waters and tributaries beckon anglers, while the surrounding public lands offer trails for hiking, biking, and cross-country skiing. Historically managed as a ranch and traditionally used for summer grazing, the property is suited to both farming and livestock, with expansive meadows and water resources. The land supports diverse agricultural possibilities, from continued cattle grazing to cultivating sustainable crops. The ranch's commitment to land stewardship is reinforced by its conservation easement, preserving the land for generations while allowing responsible use. About 1,236 acres is under conservation easement with Gallatin Valley Land Trust, while about 362 acres is unencumbered. The ranch offers thoughtfully placed building envelopes to create your retreat, including options for family homes and guest houses, each set to embrace views of the landscape. Here, you'll find room to build your vision within a framework that respects and protects the natural beauty of the property. The Schmidt Ranch offers not just a home, but a heritage, a place where natural beauty, privacy, and recreation converge. This is a rare chance to own a piece of Montana that balances seclusion with access to one of the state's most sought-after regions. Come experience the legacy of the Schmidt Ranch and see where your dreams meet Montana's rugged heart.